Alright, good afternoon everybody. Let's knock the disclaimer out real quick. Richie Rich Trader. Today is February 2nd, 2017, Groundhog Day. The time is 3:43 Central Time. That's where I'm at, Central Time Zone. So here's a trade review and a recap. So first I'll just show you the end result. Made some money in crude, natural gas. We got a big pop in natural gas, and then made a little bit in gold. I was up a couple $100 in gold, but gave some back. Trying to make more, but get a little greedy. But anyway, so first up we got crude, and my first trade this morning was around right at the open actually. We made this little, it was a pretty big overnight move up. Pretty strong overnight move up. So I'm just waiting for a good opportunity to enter to the upside, and it came right at the open. So we made this little low. I say this was kind of a fake break of the previous day's high, and then pull back. First entry, second entry, boom. That's two contracts. I made a couple $100 here. So that was it. Really for crude. There's some other ones I missed later on. As you can see, my trading strategy is pretty simple. Here's a good little wedge right here, and here's the VWAP, and price bounced off of it twice. After we made this new strong low, it comes strong down, broke out of this wedge, and bounced off of it once, bounced off of it twice. Both of them were good scalps. This scalp had a nice runner that ran to the pivot. So we went from pivot to pivot after it broke out of this little wedge. Alright, I'll pause it and bring up the next one. Alright, so this is natural gas. And got a little chopped up in here early in the morning. It's what it's been doing is kind of makes that one big move overnight and then just chops around for a while. This market waited to move until after the natural gas report, inventory report, and as you can see, it's all uphill after that. So I got in early right here. Right, made a new high. Or actually, it was a double top, but the buyers defended this low, so it didn't look like it was going to break through that. So we got one second entry upside. That was a 30 tick winner on two contracts, and I was done after that. So that was it for that one. I'll pause it and bring up gold. Alright, and gold has been just a mess for me. I just can't do anything right with gold. Yesterday I lost $1,000 in gold, and I was too depressed to even do a review. But it was all me. It was all in my head. I don't know what I was doing, but and then today I was a little bit scared of it. I made a little bit of money. I gave a little bit back, but yesterday it just kicked my butt. So in gold, the first trade I took was right here, and it was a really good one. I missed one here. I just marked this up because this was a nice little fake break of this, or failed break, and then first entry, second entry up after it made this new little high right there. But anyway, this was a level I had marked up, I think, or I was watching how price reacted to it on another chart. But I took a short there, but then moved my stop too soon. As you can see, that would have been a good 30-40 tick winner. But it didn't work out for me because I didn't have any patience. Plus, I was scared of gold because of what happened yesterday. But anyway, my next short was right here, and this one was late, and I got stopped out. My stop was too tight. My stop should have been above this high, above this swing high, and I'd have been fine. And then I re-entered here. Got one tick. Re-entered here, got one tick. And then I re-entered here, which I should have waited to this one. And got one tick, and then I was kind of really frustrated, so I was like, it's going down, so I'm just going to short it the next chance I get. And then I shorted it here on this re-entry. Now, really, I didn't have enough room to get out, but I put my target a little further out, so that was a good winner. And then we formed a little double bottom here, and I figured we would retrace to the VWAP. So I took this second entry, I didn't even mark it. Took the second entry off the bottom, first entry, second entry, or the double bottom. And then I got 10, and I should have really just stopped right there because then I was up for the day. I was up a couple $100 at that point, but I didn't because I got greedy. So I messed up some more trades over here, got chopped up. But you know what I'm noticing is this is just, I really shouldn't have even went long right there. Should have just went short here. See, the MACD is clearly below the zero line, right? This blue and light blue and dark blue. It's clearly below the zero line. And, you know, really when you make a slingshot move, all right, this is it, you know, right here. All right, here, all right. All right, and this one even made had a little divergence. It went up here and it was down here. And then again here, right? So, slingshot move. Clearly the MACD is below the zero. I should have taken that. You know, just if you're just patient, you just wait for a couple of these. Just wait for the perfect looking ones. Now I know you're trading the hard right edge, so it's kind of hard to tell. But clearly, we just had a strong move down, right? My MACD is clearly below the zero line, thoroughly below it. And, you know, just wait for that second entry and take it. First attempt, second attempt, and it goes. And the same on the other side, like to the other side. As soon as the first one's always the best one. After the MACD crosses the zero line, no matter what time it is, MACD crosses right here, right? So I'm going to drop a line right here where the MACD first crosses. Right? So MACD first crosses there. And you're already in an uptrend, right? It came down through it, come back up. So as soon as the MACD crosses the first pullback was right there on the second entry. Right? Made the high here, MACD crosses, first entry, second entry. MACD still above right here. This could have been a strength trade right here. And this could have been a first entry, second entry, right there. Anywhere right in there. This one actually one tick down. See how they ran them stops right there? One tick down, they ran the stops, and then it goes. So it's really just basic. And then of course here, I mean, this was a big, strong, hard, fast move. If you were trading, if you were up that early, at 4 o'clock in the morning, bounced right off of that 32 EMA and slingshot, perfect. Right there. Let go. And slingshot, right? So, I mean, really that's it. If you just take a couple of the best ones and try to get 10 or 11 ticks, 12 ticks out of it on 1 or 2 contracts, and you do that. See, that's what I did. My goal is to make 10 ticks on 2 contracts for crude, natural gas, and gold. So that's $600 a day. And most times it's a little bit more. Sometimes I lose more than that, but for the most part, if I can do that consistently, wait for just the best ones, then you know I don't have anything. I can make money every day, but it doesn't always work out that way because your head gets in the way. At least for me, my head gets in the way. So anyway, that's it for today. We'll be back again to do it tomorrow's Friday. I'm looking forward to. I get in early on Fridays and get out early. I like to be done by 11 o'clock in the morning Central Time, so I can enjoy my weekend early. So, hope everybody has been having a good week, and talk to you later. Thanks.